Friends, in this video we are solving a problem on multiple integrals. Given problem is evaluate integral from 0 to a, integral from y to a. Integrand is here x by x square plus y square dx dy by changing to polar coordinates. Here the problem they are given integral from 0 to a, integral from y to a, x by x square plus y square dx dy, nothing but here this is the function of x comma y, nothing but it is in a Cartesian coordinates. Now we have to evaluate this integration in a changing into polar coordinates. Polar coordinates means we have to convert x comma y variables to r comma theta variables. That's it. Now here already they are given a limits. If they are not given a limits, then we need to find out. But luckily they are given limits in this case. Based on the limits, we have to write the region. Here you observe, here the limits of x are x is equal to y, comma x is equal to a. How I am saying x is equal to y, x is equal to a? Why it is x equal to 0, x is equal to a? Means here you observe friends, it is a function of y. Whenever it is a function of y, then it is obviously another limit, not y limits. You can't say y limit is from y is equal to a. Okay, is it clear? So obviously it is another limit. So you can say x is a function of y. You can't say x is a function of x. So x is equal to y and x is equal to a. Now in the Cartesian plane x comma y plane, if you draw this, x is equal to y. X is equal to y means a straight line like this. Is it or not? Next, x is equal to a. You can consider x is equal to a, which is parallel to the y axis. So this is x is equal to a and this is x is equal to y. So you can say this is the point 0 comma 0 and this is the point a comma 0. Okay, next here you have the limits of y. Y is equal to 0 comma y is equal to a. Whenever y is equal to a, then you can say this is parallel to the y axis. So this is y is equal to a. This is y is equal to a line and y is equal to 0. You substitute y is equal to a here, then you will have whenever y is a, x is a. So the point is a comma a. Right, is it clear? Next, if you put x, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. So what you can say now, the points are, the region is lies between 0 comma 0, a comma 0 and a comma a. Not like x is equal to, here you see x is equal to 0, are they given? No. While putting y is equal to 0, you are getting x value. Nothing but here, when y is 0, x is 0 in this case. When y is a, you will have x is a. Next, you wait to the point x is equal to a means a comma 0. So the region is here shaded region. This region only, not occupied this, because they are not given a point 0 comma a. Are you getting 0 comma a point you see? No, we are not getting. Okay. Now in this region we have to evaluate. Friends, while changing into polar coordinates, you have to remember the region, if it is in a Cartesian coordinate like this, integral of double integral over r f of x comma y dx dy is equal to double integral over r dash. Reason is we are changing by substituting x is equal to r cos theta comma y is equal to r sin theta and dx dy is equal to Jacobian of dr d theta, where Jacobian is a transformation from x comma y variable to r comma theta, that is r. You are getting the answer is r. So this is Jacobian means r dr d theta. So dx dy is r dr d theta. Now here we are changing x comma y variable to r comma theta variable. So we have to change the region also, that is r dash region. You see this is r dash region, new region. Now we are finding the limits of r comma theta. Now what you can say the r limits on xy. This is the xy axis. So in the triangle you see friends, this is a triangle. In this triangle I want r. Observe, whenever what is x you have actually r cos theta. Here you see I am not getting directly, that is not a circle or else any other term. X is equal to y you have, which implies r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So r getting cancelled. Then you will have cos theta is equal to sin theta. When it is possible, theta is equal to pi by 4. Tan theta is equal to 1. So theta is equal to pi by 4. So theta is on xy plane. Theta what you can say? Pi by 4. And moreover you can observe that angle, this region is occupied in the first quadrant, that too half only, not fully. Okay. So theta value you can take from 0 to pi by 4 instead of 0 to pi by 2, because it is up up to x equal y line only. Next I want r value. How can I get r value? Means here you see that whenever you want r, generally we are drawing a line y is equal to x from the origin, starting point. Where it is touch a starting point at 0, 0. So you can say r value is started with 0 and end with x is equal to y line. Where it is end at the point y is equal to x line is nothing but where it is here only. In this case here what you have, x is equal to y. So that is x is equal to a. X is equal to y is equal to a, yes or no? So what you have actually x value r cos theta. So what you can say, r cos theta is equal to a means r is equal to a by cos theta. Nothing but r is a dependent on theta. So r value is a by cos theta, and theta already we have discussed. Theta is lies between 0 less than r is equal to theta less than r is equal to pi by 4 only. Okay. Now the given integrand I am writing integral from 0 to a, integral from y to a, x by x square plus y square dx dy is equal to r. First I am writing independent limits, that is theta. Theta is from 0 to pi by 4 and r limit now I am writing. R is from 0 to a by cos theta. And what you have, x is equal to r cos theta by what is x square plus y square? X square plus y square is equal to, you will have r square. Yes or no? Next into dx dy. What is the dx dy? R into dr into d theta. So in this case you see numerator r into r square, denominator r square getting cancelled. Then you will have integral from 0 to pi by 2, integral from 0 to a by cos theta into this r square getting cancelled. Then you will have cos theta into d theta. Friends, you observe while integrating with respect to r and theta, this is, you have dr also, I forgot. While integrating with respect to x and y or else r comma theta, first you have to observe the limits of r and theta. Here theta is independent limit. Theta is this is pi by 4. I have written pi by 2. Sorry. Right. First I am integrating with respect to what? R only, because it is dependent on theta. So first integrate with respect to r. Then you will have integral from 0 to pi by 4. If you integrated with respect to r, cos theta is independent only. So one integration with respect to r means r limits from 0 to a by cos theta into d theta. So you see friends, now integral from 0 to pi by 4. If you are substituted upper limit, actually outside you have cos theta. This is a by cos theta into d theta. So denominator cos theta and numerator cos theta getting cancelled. Then in this case a is a constant, you can write outside. So integral from 0 to pi by 4 d theta only. So what is the d theta quotient? 1. One integration with respect to theta is theta only. So integral from 0 to pi by 4. Outside a is there. Therefore answer is a into pi by 4 minus 0. Nothing but a pi by 4 is the answer. Is it clear for everyone? How to changing into polar coordinates even in the triangle also. Is it clear? How we have taken r value and theta value? Friends, if you have any doubts, you can share in the comment box freely. Okay, doubts or else if you want more number of the videos on different topics also, please write in the comment box. And please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends also. Thank you for watching this video.